guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a recipe that I saw on Mo Money's channel, and it's with chicken, and we're going to need garlic salt, lemon pepper, we're going to need asparagus. I got these little potatoes and a little bit of chicken broth. And then we're gonna need, I might put some cilantro and I don't know if rosemary or parsley, we'll see. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start by cutting our chicken, and I'm gonna start by cutting out the fat. I hate touching chicken because it's all slimy. And then I'm gonna cut the chicken in half. If you see my fingers a little bit red, it's because I was eating hot Cheetos. Okay, so that's good. This one I'm gonna cut in half. Now that my chicken is all cut up, we're gonna put them in here. I don't know if I said in the beginning that I rinsed my chicken out. But if I didn't, well, I did. Okay, now let's grab them with this. Since I already washed my hands and I don't want to touch the chicken again. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter because butter makes it taste better. I mean, you can add olive oil if you want, but I like butter. Now we're gonna add just a little bit of chicken broth. Just like a little bit. I think that's enough. Nomás poquitito. And I was gonna put a lot of these lemons. So I was gonna put a lot of these lemons, but I'm just gonna cut this one up and then put little slices on the top. So I'm gonna just add this one because it honestly tastes the same. So now let's put the lemon juice. That. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. I'm gonna put some of this, a little bit too. I put a lot. Just a little bit. Because I love a lot of seasoning on my food. Okay, now we're gonna add the lemon pepper, and we're gonna add a lot. Let's lift this up so we can do the sides on the back. Now we're gonna put some garlic salt. Turn back around. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Now we're gonna put some garlic salt on this side. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if I should add some rosemary or parsley, because they both taste good with chicken. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, now we're gonna get our lemon and cut it up. I'm gonna do thin slices. Okay, so this is how the chicken is looking. Now I have my little sliced lemons. I took out the little seeds. Now we're just gonna add them to the top. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have our sliced lemons on the chicken, I decided I'm gonna add parsley. Show you how it looks. It smells delicious already. And that's how it's looking. Okay, now I'm gonna put some foil over it. Like that. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a little bit while we do our asparagus and tomatoes. I mean the potatoes. We're gonna get our asparagus, and I got like 8 of them. I think that should be enough for me and my husband. And then I'm gonna rinse them out, and then I'll probably rinse out my tomatoes too. Rinse out my asparagus, and I'm just gonna cut like about this much. I'm gonna throw them in here. Now we just need to add our potatoes. I'm just gonna cut them into smaller pieces. I just cut up 2 of the papas because it's just 2 of us eating, so okay, so I'm gonna put some oil in here. Hold on. In front of my face. I'm gonna put a little bit. I think that's enough. Just mix it, and we're gonna add some lemon in here too. I'm gonna add this lemon since it was left over from the slices. Take out the seeds. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna add garlic salt. A little bit of lemon pepper. And one more thing. A little bit of this. This is always good on potatoes. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I already put the other seasonings. So just like that. There we go. And on this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of rosemary. Just poquito. Okay, now I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so that's how it looks. And I put a little bit of lemon, not too much. There you go. Okay, we're gonna cover this. Okay, so let's preheat the oven to 375. There we go. Okay. Okay, now that our oven is at 375, we're gonna put our potatoes with the asparagus in here. And then our chicken. And our chicken. And I'll let you know how long I leave them in there for. Probably like 30 minutes, but I'll let you know.